In today's video, we are directly into a builder mode. Okay, so we are building a premium website with AI again, by using the concept of meta prompting, as I told you in my last video. So what is meta prompting? Meta prompting is prompting an AI with another AI. That's how simple it is. But to use that, you need to put in a lot of context, a lot of things. You have to make AI think like a web designer, so that it gives you a much better prompt to put it in Lovable. So I use Claude for this. This is a Claude project called Flow, and I have inserted a lot of frameworks into it, web designing frameworks. Those frameworks I'll be putting it in description. I gave it some inspiration. After that, we started brainstorming. So yeah, it asked me certain questions, and the concept is Wander, a premium travel discovery platform. This is completely from scratch. I didn't even have any idea in my mind. I brainstormed it with Claude, and I'm going to build it now. So this was the concept, as I explained. After that, we went on with the design direction. It asked me a few more questions before it locks everything, before it builds the full architecture. And after that, here was the full architecture that Claude built us for us. And we had to generate 8 to 9 images, and I told it I'll generate it in Gemini, but I generated it in ChatGPT. And yeah, it gave us the prompts also for generating those images, and I confirmed it, that was the images were perfect or not. And yeah, after that we got our prompt. Okay, these are all the images, and after that we got our prompt. Look how detailed is this prompt. It is the result of all the context that is in this project, and how we brainstormed, how we used chain of thoughts with Claude. And this is the entire prompt that we have it here, and we have our images which are downloaded. Okay, now we are going to copy this entire prompt and put it in Lovable. In one shot we would get a premium website that was so hard to build a few years ago, thanks to Vibe Coding. And we have all our images uploaded in Lovable right here, and we will be copy pasting the entire prompt. Here it is, the entire prompt has been copy pasted, and in one shot we are going to build this. So we are building it right now in Lovable. I have copy pasted the entire prompt with all the 9 images. As you can see, as I already told you, the project name is Wander. It is a travel journal platform, and it would have 3 pages. Claude has written us a complete meta prompt, complete architecture for this. We don't have to do anything, but the result we are getting such prompts are due to the context that we have fed into Claude, and all those chain of thoughts that we use to brainstorm, that we are getting such really good actual websites. And I would also like to talk about images, while meanwhile Claude builds us this for us. These images are kind of fantasy, they're not real, as you can see. Okay, this is some website. Okay, I mean, I'm really shocked by the results, genuine reaction. And we load it fully. In my previous video I didn't really like the website that I built, actually, if you would see my reaction of building a website. But this is some really good design. Wander. Okay, start your journal and explore the world. Actually, we can click it here. Okay, look at this. We are getting the latitudes and longitude of different continents that are situated. Yeah, as we move down we get these cards, and there are a few featured destinations: Bali and beyond, Provence, France, Canyon County, and Serengeti Plains. The world is waiting. Begin documenting the place that changed you. Open my journal. Where would this take us? And it would take us to this journal. Again, these were the images that I were uploaded, and all of this, these are not yet clickable. because this is just the version 1, but for version 1 this is pretty good. I mean, the entire thing. Okay, explore. We'll click on explore, and where will you go next? Again, these are those images. We get Asia, Europe, Americas, and African images. And yeah, we have the journey log. These are not yet clickable. Yeah, the first version is really amazing. I mean, this entire thing just caught my eyes. I think it needs a few iterations, but it is probably the better than what I had thought, because in my previous video it was not really up to the mark. If you also want to build such premium websites, I have just put all the frameworks that I have used in Claude into the description, and also the prompts, and you can start fitting those frameworks into Claude and start building amazing websites and start selling them and start making money. And if you also want to actually follow where the entire AI race is going, where the entire AI world is going, I keep you updated in my every single video where AI is heading towards, so you gotta subscribe.